Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shutterstock for licensed clips, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Shutterstock for licensed clips, begin by navigating to the Shutterstock website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Sign In to access the login interface. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password into the appropriate box. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the video section in the main menu. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific clips. When you find a clip you like, click on it to view more details. Review the licensing options and pricing for the selected clip. If you decide to purchase, click on the Download button. Select the appropriate license type that suits your needs. Proceed to checkout by following the on-screen instructions. Once payment is completed, the clip will be available for download. You can find your purchased clips in the My Download section of your account. Download the clips to your device by clicking on the download link. Ensure to keep a record of your licensing information for future reference. You are now fully authenticated and ready to use your licensed clips from Shutterstock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.